Okay, answer on your own. Okay. Okay. Once again, you don't need to chat your answers. Answer on your own. Oo. Okay. Number 2. What is the minimum setback requirement from the property line for a multi-family dwelling with more than 4 stories? Setback. Usually, pag setback, yung front yan. Yung front setback. Okay. Class, once again, I'm not asking you to chat your answers. I'm asking you to write your answer somewhere, either on your phone or on a piece of paper. Okay. Okay. Ang dami pang pumapasok. Okay. Number 3. What is the minimum width requirement for alleys according to BP 220? What is the minimum width requirement for alleys according to the according to BP 220? Wait lang. Mute muna. Okay. All right. Everyone. Number 3. Number 4. What is the minimum ceiling height requirement for habitable rooms? What is the minimum ceiling height requirement for habitable rooms? According to BP 220. And number 5. What is the minimum tread width requirement for stairs? Ito yung sinabi kong hindi ko inaral to nung board ko pero baka lumabas sa inyo. Minimum tread width requirement for stairs. Number 5. Once again, I'm not asking you to write your answers on the chat. Answer on your own, on your phones, or on a piece of paper. Okay, done? Sige. Marami to, 30 items to, pero para may excitement, let's check 1 to 5. Number 1, minimum distance between buildings with blank walls facing each other according to BP 220 is letter A, 4 meters. 4 meters. Okay, do you get it? Okay. Number 2, minimum setback requirement for a multi-family dwelling with more than 4 stories. Ang setback requirement is 3 meters. 3 meters sa front. May sumagot kanina 10 meters. Sobrang lahaba nun. Parang ano na yun. Parang condo na yun. Alright. Number 2. Number 3. What is the minimum width requirement for alleys according to BP 220? That is just 2 meters. Remember, this is socialized economic housing. 2 meters ang alleys. You can also take note for your own benefit, for your own review. Number 4, what is the minimum ceiling height requirement for habitable rooms? Answer, 2.5 meters. Letter D, 2.5 meters. Okay, 2.5. And number 5, what is the minimum tread width requirement for stairs? Minimum tread width is 30 centimeters. 30 centimeters. Good. Who got 5? May mga naka 5?
Me, sir, naka-5 ako.
Yes. Okay, good. Good job. Oh, may 3. Sige lang, hindi graded to. Don't worry.
Pero ako tama lang number 5.
Okay. Sige. Okay lang, okay lang. Sige lang kasi don't expect to know everything din kasi even yung top notcher ng boards ano lang naman 87 lang naman. Meaning 13% mali rin naman sila eh. So don't expect to know everything but ano make sure to get at least 75. Okay, sige. All right. Number 6. Continue number 6. 6 to 10 tayo. What is the minimum frontage requirement for an irregular residential lot according to BP 220? Minimum frontage ng irregular residential lot according to BP 220. Number 6. Is it 3 meters, 4 meters, 5 meters, 6 meters? Okay. Irregular, the keyword irregular lot, residential lot. Number 6. Number 7. What is the maximum riser height allowed for stairs? Meaning, yung taas ng stairs. Kasi pag masyadong mataas, syempre mahirap din naman, di ba? Hakbangin. So, ano daw yung maximum riser height? Is it 20 centimeter, 25 centimeters, 30 centimeters, 15 centimeters? Okay. Number 7, everyone. Number 8. What is the minimum distance required between intersections of roads? Minimum distance required between intersections of roads. Is it 15 meters, 20 meters, 25 meters, 30 meters? Yung dalawang intersection daw, anong minimum na layo ng dalawang intersection? 15 meters, 20 meters, 25 meters, 30 meters. Okay. Number 9. What is the minimum drainage pipe diameter required according to BP 220? Drainage pipe diameter 200 millimeters, 250 millimeters, 300 millimeters, 350 millimeters. Okay. And number 10. Number 10, what is the minimum water supply requirement per capita per day for household connections? Minimum water supply requirement per capita per day for household connections. Is it 100 liters per day per capita? 125, 150, 200? Okay. Teka lang. Okay. Let's start. Number 6 answer. Number 6. Minimum frontage requirement for irregular lot is 5 meters. 5 meters. Irregular. Number 7. What is the minimum riser height? Maximum riser. Number 7 is 30 centimeters ang maximum riser height. 30 centimeters. Okay. Number 8. What is the minimum distance required between intersections of roads? Minimum distance is 15 meters. 15 meters between two intersections of roads. Okay. Number 9. Drainage pipe required. Anyone? What's your answer?
250, sir.
250? 250.
200.
It's 200. Oo, 200. Yeah. 200. Yes. Okay. 200 millimeters minimum drainage pipe. Then, per capita, how many minimum water supply per capita?
150.
150
Okay.
liters. 150 liters. Correct. All right. Next, continue. 11. Maximum allowable pathwalk length for socialized housing projects. Maximum allowable pathwalk length. Meron ba? Ay, sorry. Ba't ako nagtatanong? Answer, answer, answer on your own. All right. Number 12. What is the minimum lot area requirement for a row house lot for economic housing?
32.
Minimum lot. Oh, answer on your own. Answer on your own. Minimum lot area for row house. Okay. 13. Minimum thickness requirement for a firewall. Minimum thickness requirement for a firewall. Okay. Number 14. Minimum percentage of gross area that must be allocated to parks and playgrounds for socialized housing with 176 to 200 lots per hectare, according to the table in BP 220. Mahirap to, pero sige lang. Eh, ilan daw yung percentage ng gross area kung 176 to 200 lots? Next, 15. According to the rules, can an approved socialized housing project be upgraded to another housing type? Yes, with special approval. Yes, at the developer's discretion. No, or yes, if the local government approves. Okay. Are everyone done? Answer number 11. Maximum allowable pathwalk length.
No limit.
Answer. Yeah.
40.
Uh, actually, actually, supposedly, ano no, I also thought of that eh. Bakit may limit? Pero kasi, uh, ano kasi, parang, what's that? Ay, siguro ang nasa isip nila, pag masyadong mahaba, I'm not sure of the rationale. Pero yes, it's 40 meters. Yeah, oo. Yan. Okay. Pero can you double check? Kasi baka mali yung answer key. Mamaya, I will double check. Yung iba sure ako. Ito, hindi. Okay, 11. Number 12. Minimum lot area requirement for row house. Answer?
32 square meter.
32. Okay, 32, yes. 32. Okay. Number 13, minimum thickness ng firewall is. Answer? What's your, anyone?
150?
150. Tama. Yeah, 150 millimeters. Minimum thickness requirement for a firewall. 150. Minimum percentage for socialized housing with 176 to 200 lots or dwelling units.
6%. 6%.
6%, that's correct. All right. Number 15, according to the rules, can an approved socialized housing project be upgraded to another housing type? Sinabi ko to nung discussion. Answer? Kunyari, from socialized to economic. Pwede yun? Socialized to medium cost. Answer?
Nag-guess ako, sir. Letter
What's your
A.
guess?
Special approval.
No.
Letter B, developer's discretion.
No. Ala,
D.
that's yung discussion.
D, sir, D.
Hindi
D,
rin.
ganon.
Nanghula kayo, tatlo mali.
Letter C, sir, natitira.
Oo, no. No talaga. Kapag na-approve na, yun na yun, you cannot change it. You cannot change the housing type. Kung socialized, yun na yun. Yes. Okay. Okay, continue. 16. Wag niyo nang isipin yung section. What is the minimum planting strip width for a 12-meter right-of-way road for economic housing? Kung 12 meters yung right-of-way, ilan daw yung minimum planting strip? Okay, next. 17. What is the minimum distance between communal wells? Kung merong communal wells, ilan yung minimum distance nila from each other? $200 meters, 250 meters, 300 meters, 350 meters. Next. What is the minimum ceiling height requirement for a mezzanine floor? Ay. Kanina, habitable room. Ito, mezzanine floor. Number 19. Is there a fixed ratio between the saleable and non-saleable portions of an economic subdivision project? Yes or no lang yan. Meron daw bang fixed ratio ang saleable and non-saleable? Okay. 20. Yes or no lang din. Can administrative boundaries, yung mga utilities, like electricity, water, bisect or go through lots that are for sale? Yes or no? Okay. Yes or no? All right. Answer. Okay. 16. Pag 12 meters daw yung right of way, ilan yung planting strip? Minimum. Anyone? Ah, may nag-answer ba? Wala, wala nag-answer. Number 16. Yes?
0.6.
0.8,
0.8,
No, not 0.6. Not 0.6.
1.2,
1.2.
1.2 or ano ba tayo, sir?
Three.
Economic or socialized?
Kana, uh, ano yun?
Magkaiba kasi, sir, sa economic and socialized. So,
Yes.
parang under BP 220. So, parang parang 0.8 or 1.2. Parang 0.8 is for economic housing and then 1 point for socialized. Tama po ba, sir?
Iba-iba. Kasi iba-iba depending on the lapad ng road. Oo. So, in this case, 12 meters daw yung right of way. Wait lang. Ano? Supposedly, 1.2. Oo. 1.2. Yan. 1.2 siya. By 1.2, hindi yan 1.2 each side. Bali ano yan? 0.6 each side. Ganyan siya. Okay. Yung distance daw between communal wells is 300 meters. Okay, 300 meters. Okay. Although hindi naman masyado tinatanong yan. Don't worry about that. Okay. Yung mezzanine floor daw, ilan yung minimum height requirement? Anyone answer?
1.5,
1.8,
1.8.
1.8.
1.8. Yes, that's it. 1.8. Then, meron daw bang fixed ratio ang saleable and non-saleable sa economic subdivision?
no,
Okay, no. No fixed ratio. That's correct. Can administrative boundaries go through lots that are for sale?
no,
No.
No then, yes. No. No. Okay. Next. Number 21. What is the minimum number of entrances and exits required if the number of occupants in a dwelling unit is greater than 10? Ilan daw yung minimum number ng entrance and exit kung greater than 10? Okay. 22. What regulations must standards for exits, corridors, exterior exit balconies, and common stairways comply with? Local building codes, international building standards, National Building Code of the Philippines, or no specific regulations mentioned? Number 22. Number 22. Okay, answers? Number 23. What is the minimum right-of-way requirement for a minor road? Minor road, ilan yung minimum right-of-way? Sa BP 220. Okay. 24. When is connection to an available public water system mandatory? When required locally, when capacity allows, whenever feasible, or it is mandatory. Okay. Nagpatayo ng subdivision. Kailangan daw ba ng water connection? Kapag required lang locally, kapag capacity allows it, kung pwede, whenever feasible, or mandatory. 25. Who may grant variances from the standards and requirements in these rules? Okay, sino daw ang pwedeng mag-grant ng basically permission yan. Variance is permission to deviate from the standards and requirements. Is it the HLURB or the DSUD now? The LGU? The developer? Or there are no variances allowed? Okay. Okay. 21. Okay. Pag greater than 10 daw, ilan ang minimum? Pag greater than 10 ang occupants, ilan ang minimum entrance and exits? Anyone?
2.
2. Yan, dalawa. Okay. So, ano lang naman, madali lang naman i-comply yan. Front door, tsaka back door. Diba? Yan. Sino daw ang nagre-regulate ng standards ng exits, corridors, exteriors, etc.? Answer.
National
National
Building Code.
City.
Okay, National Building Code. Minimum right-of-way ng minor roads.
6.5.
0.566.
6.5.
0.5.
6.5. 6.5. Oh, mandatory daw ba yung water system?
Hindi po,
Yes.
sir. De joke lang.
Yes.
Mandatory, sir.
Mandatory,
Okay.
sir. Mandatory.
Okay. D. All right, mandatory. Number 5. Sino daw ang magbibigay ng variance?
Letter A.
Letter A.
You should.
Variance. Variance. Actually, ang variance, ang ano niya, nag-grant talaga ng variance.
LGU?
LGU. Oo, LGU.
Near, yeah.
Yes. Okay. Then, kasi LGU din yung nag-grant ng, remember, ng building permit. Diba? Okay. Last 5. Where should parks and playgrounds be located within a subdivision project? Near the entrance, at the lowest elevation, strategically within the project, or no specific requirement?
Near the entrance.
Answer na lang. Mamaya na tayo mag-check. Near the entrance, at the lowest elevation, strategically within the project, or no specific requirement. Okay. 27. What is the minimum floor area for a living unit in a multi-family dwelling? Minimum floor area ng multi-family dwelling. Okay. 18, 20, 22, 25. 28. Minimum requirement for the drainage system. Minimum requirement for a drainage system. Is it a concrete line canal, brick drainage canal, reinforced concrete pipe, or no minimum specified? Okay, 28. 29. What is the minimum open space requirement for an interior residential lot? What is the minimum open space requirement for an interior residential lot? Wait lang, parang may mali tong question na to. Okay, don't worry about that. Next. What road type should not align with an alley or pathwalk? Okay. Ano daw road na hindi dapat nagko-connect sa alley or pathwalk?
Medyo, mm,
Okay. Okay. Answers? 26. Saan daw dapat nakalagay ang parks and playgrounds? Answer.
near the entrance.
No
No
specific
specific
D.
requirement.
Actually nakasulat is
Letter C.
strategically
Strategic.
within that.
Yes.
Pero yung pag sinabing strategic, well, sino na magja-judge kung strategic? Pero yun lang nakasulat. Strategically within the project. Oo. Minimum floor area ng multi-family dwelling.
22.
22.
22. 22. Correct. 22. Minimum requirement daw ng drainage system.
Concrete line
Complete
canal.
line canal,
Ah,
complete line canal.
Reinforced concrete.
hindi ba no minimum yan? No minimum. Specified. Nothing specified. Oo, nothing specified. Okay. Nothing specified. Kasi sa building code naman yan eh. So, susundin kung merong ano sa building code. Okay. Minimum open space requirement for, ay wala. Mali yan. Maling question yun. Ano daw yung hindi nag-a-align dapat sa alley or pathwalk?
Letter C.
Collector. Okay, minor
Collector and
roads
minor
po.
roads.
Kasi, di ba maliit yung alley? Tsaka yung
Major
pathwalk.
and minor work.
Major
So,
collector road.
major. Oo, major and
Collector.
collector.
Okay.
Oo, major and collector roads. So, over 29, kamusta? Ang passing ng 29
Review.
times 0.75.
More
Dapat naka 22. Nako. 22.
15, sir. 15.
50. Sige lang. Sige. Okay lang yan. Okay lang yan. Alright. So, yun nga. Kasi, yung 75, ano yun eh. Hindi ko naman requirement yun. Requirement ni PRC yun. So, ayun.
Ganyan po ba, sir, ang mga tanungan sa board exam?
Yeah, ganito. Maraming ganito. Oo. Actually, yung iba mas weird pa. Tapos, if you ask yung mga nag-take class, ang daming tanong na ano lang, na parang trivia. Parang trivia talaga. Yan.
Talaga pong we will be very particular with figures. Tama, sir?
Ay, itong figures, meron. At least in my case, mga 5. 5 yung ganito. Pero yung sinasabi kong yung ganito, yung minimum lot area, sa dami nun, isa lang yung lumabas dun. Oo. Pero yung mga drainage pipe, meron yun. Lumabas din yun. Tapos, ah, yung stairs, walang lumabas at all. Sa akin kasi, pero baka kasi, iba-iba naman every year. Hindi naman pwedeng pare-parehas. Ah, sige. Bigyan ko rin kayo ng copy nito with the answer key later. Okay? Para you can review also on your own. Okay. Andito ba yung mga magre-report? Andito na ba? Or 8 o'clock pa? Kasi kung andito na, we can start na sana. Ilang items total po board exam? 200, 8 o'clock to 10 o'clock, 200. 10 o'clock to 12 o'clock, 200. Tapos 1 o'clock to 5 o'clock, 400. Bali, 200, 200, 400. 800 total. Yan. So, yun nga. Meaning, you have 100 questions every 60 minutes. So, i-divide mo yun. 100 divided by 60. You have 1.6 minutes. Meaning 1 minute and 45 seconds per question. Tama. Oh.
Sir, meron pong computation.
Nakaka-drain.
Yeah. Ayan. Oh, nakaka-drain siya. May computation ba? Meron konti. Yung tatanungin ka ng capital gains tax, tatanungin ka ng documentary stamp tax. May konting-konting situational na Mrs. ganito, Mrs. Cruz bought a property. Ganito. So she's asking how much is the capital gains tax. So hindi niya sasabihin na 6%, pero dapat alam mo na 6% yun. Diba? Alright. Sige, habang wala pa yung baka may questions kayo about sa boards para masagot natin. What needs to be focused on or ano? Sino nang mga naka-boards dito ng either one? Kasi meron akong mga classmate dati na broker na, tapos nag-DSRAM kasi gusto mag-appraiser. Tapos meron din baliktad.
Si
Meron na
Ma'am Zari po.
si Ma'am
Zari po.
Jari?
Zari. Zarina.
Miss Zarina? Ano na siya? Broker na ba?
Broker appraiser ako.
Apo.
Oh, bakit
For
nag-DSRAM?
consultancy ako.
Wow. Okay. Okay. Yun pala. Si Sir Arcadio din pala. Parehas na po? Broker, appraiser,
Broker lang po, sir.
broker. Pero gusto mo mag-appraiser or
Yes, sana sir, lobby ng Diyos.
okay. Sige, sir. Ano ba? For LGU or for private?
Private, sir.
Private. Okay. Thank you, sir.
Sir Edward,
Yes po.
if I may ask, ang exam po natin for this subject will be time.
Um, mm, ganito.
Kinabahan naman kami, sir, bigla.
Hindi, ano naman. Gusto ko, you've somehow known me 3 months. Hindi ko naman kayo pinahirapan, di ba? So, what I'm thinking is, yes, it will be timed. Practice na rin for the boards. Pero, if you fail, I'll give you, another chance to repeat. Tapos, yung first time mo na pumasa, yun yung re-record natin.
Thank
Okay
you,
ba?
sir.
Okay ba?
Multiple choice naman, sir. Tama
Multiple
po.
choice, yes.
Sige po.
So, kunyari,
sir,
first take mo, 50 lang. Ulit. Second take, 65. Ulit. Third take, 76. Yun na. 76.
Kasi ano semester na.
Oo. Ha? Ganun na lang. Ganun na lang tayo ha. Diba? Okay.
Ilang items po kaya, sir, para maano din namin yung
100.
100 items in an hour? In an hour?
Oo, in an hour.
Okay.
Board ano talaga, PRC style.
1.45
Oo.
question.
All topics discussed under that subject lang. Kunyari, condominium, kunyari ito, housing and subdivision, di ano lang, BP 220 tsaka PD 957 lang. Yun.
Noted po, sir.
Ayan. May nagtanong kasi dito, si Sir Dave Ramos. Okay. O sige, kung wala pa yung magre-report, hintayin natin sila ng 8 o'clock. Yes, sir.
Sir, ano yung isang bata, sir? BP 22 at saka yung isa, ano yun, sir?
BP
Hindi
220,
ko nakawa.
type
Yung isa
natin.
po, ano po yung isa?
PD 957.
597? Okay,
957.
sir. Copy.
Ah,
Copy, sir. Thank you.
ito, tinype ko na. Ay, sorry. Magsasend ba ng... Yes, I will send a reviewer either tomorrow or Friday. Just give me time to to prepare. May na-prepare na ako pero kulang-kulang pa eh.
Thank you, sir.
Yes. Okay. Oh, sige. Give yourselves moment, time to whatever, eat and go to the toilet. We'll start right away at 8 p.m. Tapos kung pumasok na yung mga magre-report, please prepare your PowerPoints na, your slides. Okay?
Sir, group 6 na po ngayon. Tatapusin
Yeah.
po ba natin ng group 6 and 7?
Let's see kung kaya. Oo, lahat ng kaya today. Yes.
Okay po.
Alright. Sige. See you later at 8. Sir, sana nasa reviewer yung lalabas sa exam. It should be. It will be. Sige. Okay.
Rambo.